Hi everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at an AirSense 10 CPAP machine by ResMed, and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to tell the total hours on the unit. From the home screen like this, sorry for the glare, here's a better angle. The top screen is blue, the bottom is sort of a silver. You're going to hold the home button and the selector button down for about 5 seconds, hold them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And now we have settings selected. Settings selected. Press the selector button. We're going to scroll all the way down, way down, way down. We're looking for the About. There it is, selected on the bottom. Once you have About, you're going to click the button to select again. And you can see on this particular unit we have 8,131 hours. So if you're curious, that is the amount of use that particular machine has on it. Again, to get to that screen, press the home and the selector button for about 5 seconds. That didn't work, do it one more time. 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Go to settings, all the way down to About, the very bottom. There you go, select 8131. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.